fingers, 2 seconds away. We said we're sorry and made up the other day. Know how many times we'll end up right back in the same. I've been thinking.
So guys, today I'm going to do the first gear challenge of Apache Rtr 180, and this is the new model, 2018 model. This is DS4, so it was just in neutral. Let's say it is on neutral, so you can see it's in neutral right now. So I'm giving the first gear, and let's start the bike and see. Last 46 km per hour. First gear 46 km per hour. Let's go on second gear. km per hour on second gear, guys. It's pretty good. Let me take a turn, and after that we will do the third gear test and all of that. So I have put on the third gear, and let's get on to the third gear speed is almost 100 km per hour. It's pretty good. So that's it, guys. I will do the first 3 gears only, no more. And thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, give it thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel and complete 1K family. And that's it. My day is off right now, so let's see you all in the next vlog. Love you, take care, bye bye, guys.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?